full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strive.
Good morning guys, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for tuning in. If today is your first time of coming, you are welcome. My name is Sarah. I film about motherhood vlog and lifestyle. Okay, so guys, on today's video I will be losing my hair later. Then now I'm going to look for a mic, YouTube mic to buy. This weather is so dull guys. As you can see, I just put on my small jacket because it's so the weather changed. And please, if I'm talking, I'm sorry because I have a little bit of catarrh as well, you know. So the weather just changed yesterday and the cold started again, but I think not in 2 or 3 days it will end, you know. So yes guys, baby is at home with daddy, and yeah, I'm here to look for a mic to buy, and I want to take you guys along with me if I thought that I will see anyone to buy. Okay, all right guys, let's get inside. So guys, I'm here now. Wow, that water is so beautiful. So guys, I'm here where I want to buy my mic. They have not opened. I came early. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. That is the place that I'm going to buy mic. They are still closed. They will open any moment from now, and it's 9:30. They haven't opened. Mamma mia. So guys, as we wait for them to open, upstairs and take some coffee. They have opened guys, but let's go and take some cafe before we go up, before we come down. Quanto?
1,10.
Hai visto? Grazie. Where I am going to look for mic if I thought that I will see anyone. So let's try. This place, it's normally hard for them to get something, to have what you want. Guys, I have to buy oven. I came to buy mic, but I didn't find any mic for YouTube. Then this is what I can buy for my kitchen, because my kitchen don't have oven, inner oven. So this is what I need to buy, just to put it on top of kitchen or table, then I can use it. This one has fan inside. This is the one that I wanted to buy. This one that is 109, but this one, they said it don't have inner fan, you know, so it's just normal oven. So I need the one that have inner fan and normal oven, and that is a little bit big. These ones are too small, but I have to get this one. Okay, just for cake. There's nothing much to do. Cake, just meat pie, you know, all those small things now, and fish. So there's nothing much to do with it. So this is the one that I'm going to be getting. Yes, so we get home. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. See you all later. So guys, I just got home, and yes, this is I got my oven. Guys, I am so happy right now. I am super duper excited. Like I finally got my oven. Like, how can I be at home without oven in this house? So guys, yes, I don't have oven before. My house, the house I rent, there's no oven, so I just have to go and get this one, you know. So yes, let's unbox together. Guys, how am I going to remove it? I cannot remove it. So guys, I finally removed it. Oh, hey, this is it. So guys, this is the oven. This is the oven, and this one have fun inside. Guys, how many of you do this thing when you were growing? Like when my mother would buy something new, and there's this stuff now. Hey, we'll be dragging for it, you know. I want to take it. I want. Yeah. Yes, guys, this is my oven. Hey, gege, 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 gege. This is my oven, guys. This is on, off. This is the time. You know. This is it, guys, and this is the manual. This one is written in Italy, how to use. This one is how to use it, and this one is okay, this one is how to set and all that. So yes, and this is the pan you can use for your oven. Yes, guys, so I'm going to get this pan. This one, I got it. I saw it there. It was 40 euros. Like, what? But I go buy for Chinese for 10 euro. I know she sleep. So it was 40 euro there. You know. So in Chinese, this thing is 10 euro. No past 10 euro. So I better go to China store and buy it. It's still the same thing. So guys, yes, we are home for today. I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video. Bye. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, try and subscribe to this channel, so whenever we upload video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so guys, our weight loss journey is going to commence on the 1st, which is next tomorrow. Tomorrow is 31st. On the 1st we are going to start. I still want to lose some weight. My tummy, this is the condition of my tummy right now. It's not too big, but because I've not eaten money food, so if I eat now, come and see my tummy. Oh my goodness, I want to lose this tummy. tummy.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain.